The distance between Milwaukee and Boston is 1,050 miles. On a certain map, the distance is represented by 42 inches. On the same map, Seattle and Cincinnati are 92 inches apart. What is the actual distance between Seattle and Cincinnati? We can solve this problem using a proportion. We can set the ratio of real miles to inches on the map equal to the ratio of real miles between Seattle and Cincinnati to inches on the map. So we'll let x equal the distance in miles between Seattle and Cincinnati. We have the ratio of the distance in miles between Milwaukee and Boston, 1,050, to the distance on the map in inches, which is 42, equal to the actual distance x between Seattle and Cincinnati in miles over the distance in inches on the map, which is 92. Now we can use cross products to solve this equation. We have 1,050 times 92 is equal to 42 times x. On the left side, we multiply to get 96,600 is equal to 42x. And then we divide both sides of the equation by 42 to get 2,300 is equal to x. So the distance between Seattle and Cincinnati is 2,300 miles.